my name is Corey Zahora, and I'm a senior solution consultant with ServiceNow, specialized in strategic portfolio management. Today we're going to talk about our new Enterprise Architect Workspace, which is included in our application portfolio management and has been brought about with the Utah release. Before I get into that information, just with our safe harbor notice, I want to mention that this presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on current information available. All right, so the Enterprise Architect homepage has been redefined to meet the next user experience we aim to provide across the platform. With this updated user interface, we've enhanced usability to empower enterprise architects with a modern, data-centric user experience to accelerate decision-making. Here, your enterprise architects can view their technology portfolio, support the business by mapping business capabilities to applications, identify redundant applications to save cost, and have a plan for end-of-life applications to not put the business at risk, all on one interface. Also from this workspace, your enterprise architects will be able to utilize our dashboards to manage inventory health to also reduce risk and cost. What's also included in this workspace is our new digital integration management. With this, you'll be able to add integrations and relationships to relevant business applications with our standardized intake form. You can leverage approval workflows for new integrations to ensure alignment with business needs, and be able to help document the landscape of integrations and APIs to visually understand the dependencies between business applications. So with that, I'm going to jump into my demo instance here. And now I am Abel Tudor, who is our Enterprise Architect. And this is our Enterprise Architect Workspace homepage. Now, in the overview section here, you can see at the top that I can always access the old APM portal here. So that way, if you want to utilize that, you still have, capabilities to do so. But what also is included in this overview section is you can build out certain. So from here, what I have built out is looking at open on-demand certifications for business applications, any orphan business capabilities, hardware models at risk, hardware models nearing end of life, or software models at risk. So whatever insights that you'd like to see as an enterprise architect, you can build those out to quickly view the lists of what's included within them. We also have our needs attention section here. So within this section, you'd be able to see, all of requests that have been associated to you. You can look at any certifications that might need, your attention, and you can look at any assessments as well. So being able to see, what has been tasked out and what needs to be worked on, all from this homepage. And last on this overview page, we can see our portfolio overview and health. So looking at our portfolio overview here, looking at our business applications, capabilities, any information objects that we have, business applications with high risk or with a low score, or with TRM technical debt. We can click into each one of these widgets to be able to see what information is behind them. And also with this homepage, it is configurable. So if you do need to add any additional information, you can. We can also see within our portfolio health, being able to look at, business applications without capabilities, owners that haven't been assessed, without digital interfaces, without application services, without architectural artifacts, business capabilities without business applications that haven't been assessed, or looking at digital interfaces without digital integrations. So again, getting that high-level information about your organization. Now, in our dashboards tab here, this is where we can also see how our information is built out within our environment. So looking at, business applications by lifecycle stage status, looking at top business applications by user base, by technology stack, by install type, by platform, application category, application family, TRM technical debt, high-risk TPM, approved software counts by category TRM, business capabilities with low scores, or even digital interfaces by business applications. So being able to get all these graphical representation in one workspace. You can also filter this out. So being able to see, your business applications in different ways has been a staple of ServiceNow's application portfolio management. And with our Enterprise Architect Workspace, you still have the capabilities to filter out all this information to see specifically, what you'd like to see in your environment. Next, we have our business portfolio here. So here I can look at mapping out my business capabilities and aligning them to my applications. You can see that we have our scoring set within this table so that you don't have to click into each one of your business capabilities to see what scoring and applications are associated with them. You can see under here, the number of business capabilities you have, your leaf capabilities, what's been assessed, what hasn't, any major gaps, medium, no gaps. You can get all that information and be able to click into each one of these to filter out to see specifically what's aligned to that. Within each one of these capabilities, you can actually go ahead and create sub-capabilities and assign your business applications right from the capabilities themselves. You can still dive down into these or be able to collapse them if you'd like to see just what your main capabilities are. And then on our right side here, we can get information on them. So being able to see the full details. We can also see in terms of our help, what our legend and our shortcuts that you can do within this space. And then we can also personalize this table. If we want to add or take away some columns, we can do so. And we can also shade alternate rows just so that you can see your information better. And lastly, we have our portfolio. So we can have, just your standard lists, or you can create your own lists. And within this list, you can see, all of your business capabilities. You can build them out here, export this information if you'd like to. We can look at all of our business applications. So getting that immediate value out of application portfolio management is just populating this table to see all of your business applications, any processes, application type, family, architecture type, install type, looking at what platform, your user base, any currency, any IT application owner, business owner, being able to get all that information. You can do so within our portfolio section here. We can look at our application services. And here's where we can look at our digital integrations and interfaces and build out any new ones within this space as well. You can also look at your information objects from here if you'd like to, and you can look at your TRM products. So being able to see all of that within one workspace without having to go into each different page or portal like in the old workspace, and being able to see your entire environment from one space. That is the new Enterprise Architect workspace. So with that, thank you for joining me today. To learn more about application portfolio management, please go to ServiceNow.com or reach out to your account team.